Today I will be doing a stir-fry strip steak with vegetables. So here are all the ingredients that you're looking at. Of course, the strip steaks. To my right, we have celery and scotch bonnet pepper. Over from that, I have bell peppers. Then next over, I have garlic, onions, scallion, and over here in this bowl, I have chocha. In Philippines, they call it chayote, and tomatoes, and jalapeno peppers, and I have squash and carrots. So this is what this recipe will be consist of here today. And the spices, I will be using curry, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt, and a little bit of ginger powder, and of course olive oil, and also perhaps a little bit of butter in it somewhere along the way. So these are the natural ingredients that I will be cooking with. No artificial flavors here. Everything is all natural that I will be working with here on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. So without further delay, let me get started. Alright, flame on, pot open to receive olive oil. Olive oil. Okay. I'm gonna put my garlic in, and some onions will be going in. Garlic and some onions and tomatoes. I'm gonna add tomatoes, those three. And then after that, then I will be adding the strip steaks. Here are my strip steak. I will be adding some curry to this. I didn't want to put the curry in the oil because I don't want it to get darkened. So now I will be adding my turmeric curry. Turmeric is curry. I don't know of any other thing that curry is made from. No juice will be going in. All juice that will be produced will be natural, both from the meat and from the vegetables that will be going in. Alright. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so the juice is already building up in there. So I'm adding my tomatoes in there. And leave that for a while. The meat, the beef is going to produce some more oil. And not oil, some more juice into the cooking vessel. Alright, I'm going to add my celery. Add these portions because this is where the water is at. This is what store all the liquid. Alright, so that's the celery. And in addition, I'm going to add the chayote or chocha. Also, I'm going to add my turnips. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery. So you're seeing the strip steak with vegetables. I'm going to add in some carrots. And I'm going to add some squash. Alright, I'm going to add some coconut milk cream in it. This is my trademark. the scotch bonnet pepper and coconut milk cream. Those are my Jamaican trademark in my cooking style. You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking on Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So this is Jamaican classic coconut milk cream that is used in most dish that we cook, especially in rice and peas. And escabeche, steamed fish, escabeche fish or steamed fish if you're cooking it down to make gravy. Alright, now I'm going to add my bell peppers. And I'm going to add my jalapeno peppers. I'm going to put the remainder of my scallion and onions. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. And my celery leaves. Now I'm going to sprinkle some ginger powder, not too much. Next, some sea salt. Next, black pepper. Garlic powder. Next, onion powder. And last but not least, scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to cover it and let it simmer. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking on Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, it's bubbling, bubbling up. This is my strip steak with vegetable. And as you can see, it is bubbling. Here I have my squash, chocho or chayote, my carrots, my bell peppers, my celeries, jalapeno pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, fresh garlic, garlic powder, onion powder, curry powder, black pepper powder, coconut cream milk. Yes, scotch bonnet pepper right here. I don't want to burst because it's mighty hot. It's flaming hot. And you're watching this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. So lots of vegetables. Changing of lifestyle due to health. So there's no water in here. All the juice is from the vegetables and the coconut cream and the steak. That's it. So let it simmer. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Ready. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. My strip steak with vegetables are ready. Okay. Watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Strip steak with vegetables is finalized on the stove. Now I'm going to transfer it to the plate, and then from the plate to my mouth, from my mouth and my stomach. Alright, let me take this out before making a mistake and consuming that. It's dangerous. Like the steak just vanished. Some squash in here. Squash in the plate. Okay, my friends, this is the final project of this recipe that I've created today in the Winston Gel Cooking Lab. So this is my strip steak with vegetables. Lots of vegetables. So we have squash, we have chayote or chocho, we have carrots, we have bell peppers, we have turnips, we have celery in here, and the seasoning. We have onions, we have scallion, we have fresh garlic, and spices or onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and of course salt, and scotch bonnet pepper. And also we have fresh tomatoes. All of that is in here. So this is the final outcome of this wonderful strip steak and vegetable dish that I've created here today. Thanks for viewing the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. Please like and share. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up and please leave your comments. Let me hear your comments about this dish. If you like what you have seen. Thanks very much for the support. Thanks for the love. And I will see you on another fantastic cooking channel. So long. Makes me smirk. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me worth. And I can see the rainbow, it's so immersed. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably be extra. I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk.